Welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. My YouTube handle is its_Lona. Na leo after a long time, after quite some time sijai kuja huku bara. So I decided to come this Easter. At least in how home is. So this is the outcome. Huku Shagono na kila kitu ni green compared to other places. So this is the goodness of Kisii area. Like in Kisii generally everything is evergreen. Kukuwe na drought, kukuwe na mvua. This is how blessed Kisii is. As you can see behind me, kila kitu ni green, 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 green. It's green all over. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and thank you and thank you. Just comment, share, and leave a positive comment. Then make sure you share this video to your friends and make sure they subscribe.